The answer I give is yes, but what I mean is no. What is the question? So that's today's riddle. Comment down below what you think the question is, and don't be cheating.
Because this is the moment I've been dreading. Facing 27 and a half years. We all know it started at 500.
Right, so hello again everybody and welcome back. A massive Iptv provider. It was one of the first to start. He run the service called Gears Reloaded. I think it had over 500,000 subscribers. And for a while now, it's been said that he's going to be serving a prison sentence, but we didn't know how much. And now he's actually been sentenced. So we're going to take a quick look now. Right, so that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And let's crack on. Right, so a lot of you will know, watch my videos. I did do a video on this 6 days ago, and there were posts saying he faces over 15 years in prison, which in my opinion is very harsh. But now we've actually got a sentencing, and we know how long he's going to serve. But first of all, if I just jump over to this post here, you can see he did not fight prosecutors' request that he pay nearly $11 million in restitution to the cable companies, and an additional $5.7 million to the IRS for unpaid taxes. So in recent posts, we saw that he may have to pay back something like $30 million in restitution, but officially now he's got to pay just under 20 million, which is still a pretty penny, innit? But then we get to the sentencing itself, and we can take a quick look at a video he posted after the sentencing. So I noticed this on the Lionel B's YouTube channel. I just thought, well, let's have a look.
Because this is the moment I've been dreading. Facing 27 and a half years. We all know it started at 500.
He were facing 27 and a half years in prison, originally facing 500 years. I know that prosecutors want to set an example, but that's absurd, that, innit?
But I just got sentenced today. I feel like the judge was super fair. The judge ordered me to 66 months in federal prison, which I feel as though it's fair. I have to pay 10 point something million in restitution, which they already have, which will be applied to which they already got the money now. And I got to pay another 5.7 million in restitution to the IRS.
So he's actually been sentenced to 66 months in prison, so 5.5 years. He says he's going to be sat at home in like 2.5 to 3 years, which is a long time, but it's a lot less than he was expecting. And then as you heard then as well, they've already seized enough to be able to cover the costs of the restitution and to pay unpaid taxes. But like, it's just one of those streaming news videos where I'm keeping you updated about what's happening around the streaming world. I know a lot of card cutters like stuff like this. But also let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments section down below. I still think 5.5 years quite harsh, considering he's been going through this for quite a long time as well. But I suppose he's also lived a good life of it, hasn't he? Now the riddle at the beginning of the video is, what was the question? The answer is, do you mind? Now when I first looked at this riddle, I was like, what is that? What could it be? And I had to cheat. I had to look for the answer. So yeah, the answer I give is yes, but what I mean is no. What is the question? The question is, do you mind? I know a lot of people are enjoying these riddles, and that's why I keep chucking them in there. Let me know if you got this one right. Let me know what you think about this sentencing as well. And I think Omni and a Hellcat is going to be absolutely buzzing with a 5.5 year sentence, considering how much he was expecting. But yeah, that's the news for today. Right, so that being said, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you soon. Ta-da!